Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm finally back with another video, and well, you had asked me for a review on a cheap budget mic. But let me tell you, this is sort of like above budget, like mid range. Okay, so now here's the box, and as you can see, it's from a company called Maono, and it has got all these. These are all the devices it supports, and this is the box and so on. And the MRP is 699, but I paid about 549. I'll put the picture up on the screen right here now. Anyway, so that was the box. So now let's jump right into it. So now, as you can see in the box, it comes with these type of cards. I don't know what this is, something about the specifications and decibel numbers, and this is regarding the product and so on. Keep that aside. And well, this is like your warranty card, or you can download the apps, you can follow them. Basically tells you all the info, and this is not very much needed. So now the main packaging is this thing. As you can see, the packaging is really good, and it is really high quality. You can carry this mic around anywhere you go, when you vlog or anything, or if you're taking it out to record some videos and so on. It'll work really good. So now in this pouch, you get this mic. This cable is, I may tell you, it's relatively very long. That's a really good thing. And also the mic, it feels kind of really good quality. Keeping the mic aside, in the box we get this high quality type of pin. Now I don't know, for some reason, but when you connect this piece here directly into the computer, it doesn't detect the microphone, but you have to connect it like this. I don't know why, but basically I think that you need to connect this whenever you connect a phone. Even I don't know the purpose of why they gave this. Maybe because it catches the audio or something, or maybe it's some different frequency, or the spin is not supported by some devices and this is. Anyways, let's just go and keep it plugged on right now. Anyways, so this feels kind of high quality, so that's good. So now in the box we get some more things. We also get one last thing, that is this clip. Now this clip is really high quality. This is made of metal right here, and this clip which clips onto is made of plastic. So as you can see, it holds on quite tight. And now this clip, as you can see here, will attach to this point like this. You can just slide it on from the bottom and so on. And as you can see, this thing you can clip on right to your t-shirt. Anyways, so that was the review of the Maono mic with a headphone jack and so on. So right now I've got this mic connected to my t-shirt, right as would be like this. So you can compare the sound quality. Anyways, this is the sound quality of the mic while plugged in. This is the sound quality of the mic while not plugged in. By the way, from the start of this video till now, I have been recording the audio right through my phone microphone and not through any earphones or anything. So now I'm going to be reviewing four type of devices in this video. The first test will be the phone, that is right now. And as you know, right now the audio is coming directly into my phone without any microphone or any sort. The second type of device will be this mic that I've just purchased. Third type, these cheap budget earphones which are literally good, about 300 to 400 rupees, and this is a really good headphones. This costs about 2000 to 3000 rupees. So let's just do a quick comparison. Okay, so now this is the sound test of that microphone I was talking about, which I've just purchased. I've normally clipped it onto my t-shirt where it would normally be, and well, as you know, this is the sound test, or how it sounds. So now this is the second sound test, and this audio you are hearing through the earphones of mine. I forgot to show you this box, but I got these earphones from this box. As you can see, the box is quite premium and so on, and it says like super extra bass. If you want, I can do a review on this one. if you want. Let me know down in the comment section below. So now this was the sound test, and let me know how it was. And now this is the next and final test of these headphones right here. So these are plugged directly onto my ears right now, and the sound that you're hearing from them is coming right through my headphones. So there you have it. I have told you all the different kinds of sounds from every different kind of a device, whether it is a clip-on microphone to your shirt, or some earphones, or even some headphones, or even from the phone camera that we were listening to before. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace out.